In this video, we're gonna check for missing data, and then we're gonna print columns that contain missing data. All right, let's start with missing data equal df dot is null. I'm gonna comment on this one. Check for missing data. Then we're gonna do for loop for column in missing data dot columns dot value dot to list. Enter print column. Then another print missing data bracket column value underscore count. Also, I'm gonna add comment on this one. Print columns that contain missing data. Print. All right. Now hit Control B to run the code. Let's go to the top. So this is how you read it. So the index is the number. So we have 201 data or 201, 201 row. On the make column, we have 201. There is no missing data. On the fuel type column, no missing data, 201. On the aspiration, we have no missing data. If you go down, let's go down to number of doors, 199 and 2. So we have two missing data under the number of doors. Body style, we have no missing data. Drivetrain, okay. Length, width, okay. Cylinders, okay. Engine size, okay. Bore, we have four missing data. Stroke, four missing data. Horsepower, two missing data, and so on. So in the next video, I will show you how to handle the missing data.